physical exertion. They are powerful catalysts for personal growth and transformation. Through this platform, I advocate for the profound impact sports can have, fostering essential life skills such as S, self-confidence, P, perseverance, O, for obeying rules and regulations, R, for resiliency, T, for teamwork, and last but not the least, S, for sportsmanship. These values not only make a better athletes, but also better individuals, fostering a society that promotes discipline, resilience, collaboration, and respect for others. Promoting sports ensures a healthier, much more confident, and a connected community